Find out if it's going nowhere or if it's going down okay. Life's a big adventure. But only got about 15 minutes and we'll be leaving Tokyo Station.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon make a brief stop at Yokohama. Passengers going to the Yokohama and subway lines, please change trains here at Yokohama.
So we're leaving Yokohama Station right now. This is the place. This is where all those tires are made. This is amazing. Look at this on here. All the little baby tires. This is where they're made, right here. I mean, I don't think right there, but they're made in the city.
新幹線ご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この列車は光471号岡山行きです。光号の自由席は前より1号車から5号車です。お客様の車内改札についてお知らせをいたします。自由席名古屋駅からのぞみ13号各駅ご利用のお客様。14時13分に降りた同じホームの向かい側17番線から。
So Akina and Yuriko finally made it to your guys' hometown. Right here, over at Kyoto Station. Just made it right off the Shinkansen. It's, what would you call it, Nathaniel? Would you call it, I wouldn't say stifling hot, but it definitely feels just like a sauna here. It's like a sauna. You can just feel that nice steam moisture, and you can feel the heat coming off it. So it's going to be an interesting little trip here. I mean, honestly, I don't think it's as bad as Tokyo was the day when we first came in. Tokyo is just grueling hot. I mean, that was just vicious. But we'll see. We'll see what's going on now. Well, that may be a good sign. When you're coming inside here, it actually smells good too. I don't know what it is, but with these, they've got these misters out here. And over here, kind of like the bus terminal, but they've got all these misters that keep this place probably cool. But I think I'm going to run over to the mister, see how this is. Because I guess that's what everybody does. Everybody comes over here and hides out. That's a great start to coming here. We get over here and we find out on the map that we're looking for the Kyoto Tower. And it looks like the Kyoto Tower is behind this station. We came out on the central end thinking that, you know, this is the side it's on because where the majority, it looks like, of the towers are. But it looks like this is the east side. We need to be on the way. Mom, Dad, Trevor, I think you guys probably know that place. Trevor, I know you do. Okay, this town right here, this part of town, it's got a beautiful, beautiful looking temple right over there. You can see it. But man, this street is a madhouse, but if you look right over here, this white one right here, that's where we're going to be staying. That's the Hotel Station, Kyoto West.
Oh,
what you got there?
One.
Yeah, it looks like here comes a big guy right up here. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Doesn't look like that big. They're making all these splashes.
Some good-sized koi. They're at least 2 foot. Look at them all. They all want to be fed. Look at this. Ooh, look at the size of that guy. All right, nothing's better than walking down the street and have it start drizzling on you, getting big old rain droplets. So she's looking over there at Tokyo Girls Collection. Don't know what that means, but sounds pretty good. Okay, so I got myself this right here. It looks like, but whatever it is, it's wrapped in bacon. I know that. It's going to be good. Oh my God, look at the squid. The squid. It's octopus. Octopus.
Head.
Oh yeah. It's like a. It's like a piece of sausage wrapped in bacon, man. Oh man. I'm taking them all home with me. I'm taking them all home with me. It's like a sausage right here.
Wrapped in bacon.
Yeah, wrapped in bacon. Make sure I don't stab myself. Hey man, that's a food review.
I think that's better than.
Look like, look at that. We have some street food right here. Looks like yakitori right here, which is chicken barbecued on a stick. Oh yeah. Looks like it's mixed with chicken skin. It's really soft, really super moist. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Man, it's so soft. So, that's good stuff right there. I don't know if you can see it, but man, that is good stuff. That's it. I'm staying. I'm just staying to eat. All right, we made it with a torrential rainstorm we got while we're in the bus, man. We're a little scared about that, that's for sure. But we're going over to the kinkaku-ji, which is a kinkaku-ji temple. That's the golden temple everybody talks about. The one that's on the lake, which the second half of it is all done in gold. We're gonna go over and dip down with people and their umbrellas. And we're gonna go over and check this thing out. This thing, you know, this thing's in every calendar known to mankind. So we gotta check this thing out. Oh boy, man, this place is amazing. Can you believe this place? Look at all the moss on the ground, all the finches everywhere. This place is something else. Look at this. This is just the entrance to the temple. Can't believe it right there, behind me. That's it right there. We're gonna get closer to it in a minute. That's it. This is the whole lake and the whole place you think of. Right here. I notice there's a monk that keeps hitting the gong. I think that's to draw the spirits in. I think it is. But you'll hear it in a minute. Go. I think there it is. What do you think of that?
Is that all gold?
Mm-hmm. It's all gold. From the top part all the ways up, that's all leaf gold. The whole thing. That is real gold. Gotta admit, this thing is amazing, that's for sure. It's all gold. Not fake gold, not fool's gold. That's real gold. Man, that makes the Mormon temples with the little trumpet boy on top. Yeah, see the koi floating around in there? Swimming around? There he goes.
That was like Jaws. I just saw a fin come up.
Little fin?
Yeah, listen.
Up there, looks like they're feeding on mosquitoes or something. Same dang things that keep eating us. We got a security guy right here. He's telling us we gotta go. He's going back. Everybody has to leave now. So basically, he's kind of making it like a, I don't know. He's kind of like an earth mover, and we're kind of the dirt. He's just kind of pushing us and everything out. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at that. It's a natural spring. It's coming right out of the wall of the face of that rock. Okay, so it's time to go bye-bye. He's definitely telling us, let's move. Look at this. Come on. Look at that. Beautiful. Little shrimp? Look at that.
Real closely, there's no shrimp.
It's like a little waterfall. It's just a beautiful little waterfall right there. Beautiful. There, you ready?
Yeah.
You gotta make it in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, man, let's go. Let's see if you can do it. Oh! He did it. He did it. Here. Man.
I cheated you out.
Oh, man.
I
He
cheated
did
you
it.
out. I get good
He
luck.
threw it right in there and he got it right into the hole. So whatever his wish was, he got it. Came up here and the security guy told me, look back here. Look at this one right here. He said, look at that. That's beautiful. Just, all you see is the gold of the temple popping right up, right out of the top of the trees. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. So that was it. Now we're leaving the gates. They just locked them up. So we're the last people to leave. So we can mark that one. We were the last people today to leave the temple. It had to be gaijin. It had to be gaijin. And we did it. We're the last people today. On this day, in this day forward, we will be known as, on this day, the last people to leave that temple. Okay, we're over here at the Kyoto Station Hotel on the west side. And this is the one that we have. It's pretty reasonably priced also for the area. You come in, we got a nice little wooden desk set up right here. Looks like somebody's been chewing on it. But here's our awesome looking little beds we each have. More than likely these are, no, they're not futons, they're actually regular ones, unlike the others which were wooden slatted. This one isn't. This is actually, these are mattresses, oh my gosh. So they're like little twin size mattresses. We've got right here, we've got ourselves a nice little TV with our little SoftBank Wi-Fi. We've got our little refrigerator right here. Area where you stick your shoes at right down there. These are neat right here. They give us our little pajamas right here. Even got a little belt with it too. We're at home. Got a belt and we've got a little doodad. So when Nathaniel goes over and gets his on, we'll have to show it to you guys. So here it is again. There's a good view of it, how these bathroom setups, you have to step up into it. Actually reminds me kind of like an RV. And then you come in here and you know, it's your standard. You've got the setup again for switching over to sink, switching over to bathtub. Let's see, right here's your toilet. Oh, look at this thing. Oh yeah. It's not a mechanical one. It's a regular one. Look at this. You just push. You just push. We're going western. Yeah. And then we've got right here that bathtub. Here it goes. Gonna go sit in the bathtub again. Oh, this one's deeper than the others. Oh man. Let's see. Oh geez, yeah. Just sitting in this one. Oh yeah, just sitting back in my tub. Sit in my tub. Me talking to you in my tub.
Not your cup.
No, yeah, no water in my tub, but I'm sitting in my tub. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. Hey, be quiet, I'm gonna go to sleep. Forget this. Thank you. I'm just gonna go to sleep.